Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? Got another EDC budget knife video for you. And today, I'm gonna go take a look at the Kershaw Thistle. This is a discontinued knife, but you can still get it on Amazon, eBay, BladeHQ. On BladeHQ, their sale price is $13.99. So, before we get into it though, if you like this video, leave a like, hit the like button, leave a comment on the Thistle or any other knife or anything, I'll get back to you. If you haven't subscribe, and we'll get to it. So, this isn't my knife, it's on loan from my son. He got this not too awful long ago, and I stole it. I'll give it back to him, but I kind of like it. So, like I said, this has been around for a while. It's discontinued, and you can pick it up for like $14 or less, or a little more, and it's not a bad knife. Go over some of the specs. You know, it is 8CR 13 MOV steel. It is a drop point, but I like the design of the blade. And stone wash. I like stone wash finishes. Kershaw does a good job on them. You can see it's been used. Overall length, 7.625 inches. The blade length is 3.25. You got a cutting edge of 3.375. Blade thickness is 0.11. So it's not real thick. Handle length is 4.375. A little over 4. Handle thickness is 0.54. It's a little on thicker side than most of the knives nowadays, but not bad. It is right hand, left hand tip up carry only. No option for tip down. Manual open. Thumb stud. It's a liner lock. This is the specialty of this knife. It is a liner lock. Locks up good, as you can see. But to unlock it, you have this push button. When you push the button, it pushes the liner lock over. And then you can close it. Now when it stops like that, it's actually hitting the lever that I'm pushing on. You release it, it'll drop. Little lock stick there. So it's kind of a fidget knife. Let's see. I did strap it a little bit because I cut some stuff, but you know, it's pretty sharp. And when I strapped it, I only did like 5 times each way, so it's pretty sharp. Looking for my paracord. No problem. Let's see, double it up. So I'm sure I didn't do too much, to it, but it's got the, it has a GFN glass filled nylon scales. It's got the K, Kershaw K tire tread type design. It is a deep carry clip. The screws are not recessed, but actually goes in the pocket pretty good. Carries good. I carried this around for a couple days. It's got a GFN back spacer in it. The detent is not that good. I can shake it out. I'm not pushing that button or anything. So it's got a pretty weak detent, but flies right out. So I can do it left-handed. So I can do it left-handed. You can push the button. So swap that clip around. And it's basically fully left-handed. It's a little easier to push with your thumb though. See? That's the only drawback I see with this. I don't mind that. I'm not afraid that I'm gonna, my finger, you gotta push that in a long ways. Just gripping it, I'm not gonna push it in far enough to, push the liner lock over. Feels good in hand. Chipping could be a little better. Could be up a little further. Blade centering is pretty good. Not quite perfect, but close enough to perfect. And that's a fun little knife. And you can pick it up for $13.99, $14 now. If you're interested in something like that, I'd pick it up while supplies last. So didn't do a size comparison. The Spyderco Tenacious, which they're almost the exact same size. You can almost lay one right on top of the other. Antera Rat 2. Line the points up. A little bigger than the Rat 2. But it is almost same size. It weighs about almost the same. This is 4.11 ounces. I think the Spyderco is just at 4 or just under 4. But very similar size. Actually, I think the handle fits better. But yeah, so like I said, $13.99 if you think you're interested in it. It's 8CR 13 MOV. You're gonna have to sharpen it once in a while. The Tenacious is ACR 13 MOV also, and I haven't had any issues with this. But I got other Kershaws that have that steel, and I don't have any issues. But if you want to get it while the supplies last, and again, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave a thumbs down. Leave a comment. Subscribe to the channel, and I guess until next time, bye.